Hey, if you are wondering if you can find bloatware on the Google Pixel phones, then take a look. Here you can find all apps that come as default on this phone. So it actually depends what you call bloatware. Maybe for some of you the YouTube music looks like the bloatware, but everything that you have here, it's straight from the Google. There's no any third-party apps, and as you can see, most of them we actually cannot even uninstall. So this may actually looks like a bloatware, but there's no like some kind of the games or I don't know applications like booking.com, LinkedIn, stuff like this. So in my opinion, there's no bloatware, but as I said before, it actually depends what you treat as a bloatware, right? So that's it. Just a quick information for you if you are wondering. Everything that you see right now on the screen comes as default in this phone, and everything comes from Google.